Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your student status before you shop on Lenovo. Use your official student email address to sign into the Lenovo EDU store or account. Lenovo uses verification services like Sheer ID and ID, Me to confirm enrollment quickly. Provide your school name, enrollment dates, and a student ID if asked. Approval usually takes minutes, but can take longer for manual review. Once verified, you unlock student pricing and special offers reserved for students. Browse the Lenovo EDU store to view devices with student-exclusive prices clearly shown. Click a product to reveal configuration options and student savings on each configuration. If you find a promo code, enter it in the checkout field to apply extra savings. Look for bundle deals that include accessories or software at reduced cost. Review shipping options and expected delivery dates before you finalize your order. Confirm the discounted total and complete payment using your preferred method. Timing can boost your savings, so watch for seasonal student sales and holiday promos. Combine those events with education pricing to maximize discounts on laptops and accessories. Consider adding Lenovo student warranty or accidental damage protection for device safety. Those plans reduce repair costs and give faster service when you need it. Also explore education financing or deferred payment plans that some students qualify for. Keep your verification active for future purchases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.